Okay, so we've done some modifications on the panel now. We've actually put some kick plates in the bottom. It's bolted down to the floor. We've had new armoured cables throughout, and as you can see, we've copper glands, banjos, brass bolts, cable identification, and we've got the relays for the gate controls. In the top, I don't know if you remember, you could get your hands down to the buzz bars, so we've now got a perspex cover in there, and we've put a metal plate in to stop you getting your fingers in. On the top of the panel, these were the old red, yellow, blue. We've now changed them correctly, all white and phase L1, L2, L3. In this side, buzz bars have been identified correctly now. We've got the perspex covers on to keep your fingers out. We've got circuit breakers now for the heating controls. We've got a proper neutral in there, and then we've got new terminals for the heaters, glanded in armoured cables, idents and everything. We've also got some nice earth bonds there, which we'll show you in a moment. So as we go into the machine, we've now got a gate interlock on there, so that would shut the machine down should anyone go in. We've got a new earth bond onto here. We changed the beacon, got rid of the little 2-core flex. It's 240 volt, so that's got a proper armoured on now. The heat probe here has now got a proper junction box, armoured cable, a lot neater. The lower limit switch, again, we've got a proper junction box, proper cabling, armoured cable on that, all earthed as it should be. I don't know if you remember these proximity sensors. We've now put those in properly. We've got some proper supports, proper junction boxes, armoured cable, bit of tray work just to neaten all that up. As we come around this side, we've got another proximity switch here. So again, we've put some Copex on there. We've got an armoured cable, we've got a junction box, tray work, and these solenoid valves here. These are 240 volts, so we've now got 3-core flexes in there with an earth, junction box, armoured cable, and that has a separate earthing. The motor has been rewired, armoured cable, proper earthing, labelling. I don't know if you remember these heaters. I had the old baked bean tins on. Well, now we've got the armoured cables connected in. We've got terminations in the bottom, heat-proof sleeving, proper identification. We've now got earth bonds throughout. We've taken away the bean cans, so we can actually see what's going on here. We've got this perspex in to stop anyone sticking their hands in there. We've also got neutrals on there now where they didn't have before. And to dissipate some of the heat, we've got a little grill in the top as well. And also you need a key to get in and out. We've tidied up the heat sensor as well into here. New armoured cable on here, proper earth bond with that. Round to the pumps, these have all been rewired, identified along the tray work, proper armoured cable, and down into the pit. So we put an interlock switch on here as well, because this press under here, there's quite a lot of tonnage will come up and could crush you to death. So should you lift this, that's going to stop that. We've got another gate interlock here to stop anyone getting inside. These are quite good actually. If you were trapped inside, you could just push your way straight out. If you're maintaining this, you can unlock it. You put a padlock on here, it won't automatically restart. You've got to take your padlock off. You've got to relock it to connect there, and then the machine can start up. These solenoid valves, these are 240 volt, they've been reflex, they've got earths in now, multi-core armoured back, and a proper junction box. And I think finally on the end here we've got a pressure transducer for to monitor the pressure of the liquor that's in the pipework, and again there's a new armoured in there and a proper termination. Machine now, we've put new cables in, they're all neatly clipped around this tray work here. which come to the control panel. We're underneath the control panel. The control panel's been bolted down to the floor. We've all got proper armour glands in, and they're fixed in the panel. As we come around the tray work and up here, we've put an earth bond on the checker plate floor in there.